Little sea bass. That's the smallest sea bass I've ever seen. Got something that time. He said, I'm still hungry. I want my piece of clay.
If it's that little one.
They like you, Jordan. Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse Southern Reels Fishing out in the Chesapeake Bay again today. This time with some family actually. I got my daughter Jordan over here. Haven't seen her in a few years. She is growing up quite a bit, and my buddy Aiden up here. And we're gonna try to get them on some fish today and just have some fun. It's supposed to be nice and calm, beautiful. As you see, the sun is just coming up. So we're gonna try for some sheep's head first. See if I can get Aiden on a big old piling monster this morning. So we'll get right to it. Wish us luck. God, conditions are so much better than last week this time, man. It was rough out here.
It was?
Yeah, it was crazy.
Are you in your kayak?
Yeah. A little crab. Let me get him. That's some more bait. What the heck? All right, hey, let's reel up. Let's go try something different because I hadn't seen anybody else catch anything either. All right, folks, we decided to come do some flounder fishing. So we made a run, and I was getting baited up, and I hooked my buddy up. He done caught him a flounder that quick. Didn't even have a chance to get it on camera. So that's a good sign. Yeah, and flounder are dumb. If you get a hit, drop it right back down and jig it again. They'll hit it again. Well, folks, I think I finally got one. Yeah, you net that half for me.
Oh!
There you go. All right, right beside the piling. Oh yeah, he's keeper. He's 17 and a half. Heck yeah, y'all! Finally, one in a live well.
Got another one?
Yep. That's another good one too.
You need a net?
Yeah, I got it. Shoot! Come get right behind this piling. Yeah, this one is 18. Well, nice keeper.
Yay, he has a friend. Close it.
Sure. He don't care. Doubles.
Double up!
Ah, double croaker.
No, I ain't got a croaker.
Oh, you got croaker. All right, look at my big catch. What you got? You got a big shadow? Oh, you got a doormat.
No, he came off, no!
Oh.
He was right there.
No, yeah, don't get him out of the water until I get the net ready.
No, he was right there in the top of the water.
Oh, okay.
I watched him literally, I saw his gill plate moving and it went down.
And he spit. Well, he'll hit it again. Yeah, you don't get on the East Coast. There we go.
It's behind you.
I got it.
Two.
18. Twist it. You gotta twist it. There you go. All right. And then you gotta twist that. And lock it back.
How long was it?
18. No. Come back. Thank you. A big bullnose ray. Something I don't want.
Yeah.
Grab that tool that's right there beside that knife.
Here you go.
Hold on. Just have it ready. Oh, that leader. I have a little better chance of. Yeah, that's all I had to do.
Oh.
Very fun. All right, everybody. We made a run to the concrete ships just to kind of hide from the waves for now, till everything chills out. Looks like there are a bunch of people doing it actually. But I got this fishing magnet that I bought. It was like $60. Give my daughters here something to play around with while we're trying to catch some flounder. You never know, we might pull up a fishing pole out here. Box of money. Hey, if you pull up box of money, we gotta split it.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey Jordan, would you mind passing me that net right there, please? Thank you. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Heck yeah, throw it right up there, right towards that hole, and just jig right along. He is, well, to be fair, mouth closed. 19 for the Flounder. Heck yeah. Oh, I got that on camera. You alright? Oh my goodness. At least it's better in than out. You sure you don't need any sunblock on? Don't get burnt now. Don't think you can't burn. This is different than being at the pool. Okay. Alright, that's enough of this. Time for scenery change. We caught, well, one fish here. Alright folks, we took a run out after the winds calmed down into the beginning of the ocean, I guess, and we're on a wreck out here trying to catch some flounder. A little bit different way than what I've ever done. Look, there's fish right off the back of the boat. Look.
What?
That's spade fish right there. Look at that. Okay, y'all gonna have some fun here in a second.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna show you. There you go. That's some reflexes. Got you a nice spade, I bet you.
What is it? Oh, it's a couple of them, whatever it is.
Yeah, because they follow them up. Yep, you got you a nice little spade. They're a good fight, ain't they?
Yeah.
Man's wearing them out now. Spades are fun, ain't they?
Yeah. That's a bigger one.
Well, look at them following them.
Oh, I got a trigger fish.
Ain't that cool?
I'm like, oh shoot.
Hey, what are you doing, Earl? Earl,
Yeah, I got a
what you
trigger fish.
Oh yeah, you sure do. That's a nice trigger too. All right, hold on. Let me net him because I don't want him to break your rig off. I just don't hustle him too much. You only got 10-pound leader. Just take your time.
He's a heck of a fight though.
Just bring him up here and I'll get him. Just try to ease him right up here.
Oh, he spat out something.
It looks like somebody's gulp.
Man, you just got caught, buddy.
Yeah.
That's a big one.
There you go, bud. You can throw him right in the live well. Oh shoot, there we go. On again. In the zone now. I might have to let go to help him. Okay, it'll sit right there. What you got this time? Maybe another trigger. That was a little bit smaller.
He spit another goat piece, see that?
Yeah, they've been terrorizing these flounder fishermen up here today is what they were doing. Yep. Hey, so when if you drop it down and you feel something bump the end of that line, you just do like
Right
this.
here?
Yep. Yep, just drop it straight down. Oh, that was a bump. You feel that? You see that end moving? They probably got you right there already. Okay, let's reel it up and check it. That was it. Don't give up, honey. Trust me, it's not hard. This is one of the easiest fish to catch.
Oh, obviously not.
You just gotta get used to feeling that fish bump it. Once you do that, you swing on him. Got him every single time, just about. Let's see what he is. No, none of that.
Nope, no trigger.
Another trigger fish. These guys love this plan.
Need a net?
No, I'll just unhook him with the pliers.
I'm sure you don't want to.
Yeah, I'll just unhook him.
You don't want to see bass. This is bait's big as he is. That's the smallest sea bass I've ever seen. I just leave him on there for bait. He's like, can I have the clam, please? You want to give him the clam? See, there you go. Yeah. All right. That was great.
Wow.
There you go. You got something that time.
Yeah, Jesse, I can literally feel them hitting it as it's dropping, like when I'm dropping it.
He's like, I'm still hungry. I want my piece of clam.
He's annihilating the sea bass.
Oh my God. They like you, Jordan. It's
Yeah,
so
the
cute.
little
We
ones.
put that in an aquarium. You can touch them. They're pretty fish, though. That's a really good eating.
Really?
Oh yeah, sea bass, delicious.
Well, not the little one.
But yeah, they had to be at least, I think, 12 inches.
I was gonna say that little tiny thing.
All right.
If it's that little one.
He's like, I'm gonna get this piece of clamp. He's like,
Oh, well, I got off.
oh, that is hilarious. Are you hung? All right, hold on, let me see. All right, hang on to it.
Oh, shoot.
10 feet. Hold on to it.
Oh.
Look out. There you go.
I just saw another one next
Yeah,
to
I'm gonna go for the other little brother.
Look, got you a little spade.
it. Yay.
They're pretty fish, though.
Fish though.
hmm Some people like eating them. I don't really care for them.
They look too tiny. Take them out. Yep.
Oh, look, Jordan, wear them out.
Ow. Ow, ow.
You all right? Hey, bear it into your belly.
Yeah, put it to your belly.
There you go. Use the leverage.
Shoot. Oh, you got a whole swarm of them things.
No kid, look at that. Whew. I think we found the school again. I moved up about 50 feet.
You did?
Yeah. All right, we don't get about 10 more minutes here. We need to start heading back.
Why?
Well, the wind is shifting and it's supposed to pick back up a little bit later this afternoon. I don't want to be driving back in a headwind. Shark come up and bite my foot. Drag me overboard. There we go. Got on that time. Have you got bait still, Jordan?
Yeah.
A little bigger.
Yeah, they're loads of fun to catch.
Yeah, they're all along the bridge too.
Uh-huh.
They have them out at the tower.
Yeah.
That a few weeks ago where we went, they have them around that thing that are literally like this big around.
Shoo.
They're horses.
Bet you they're fun to fight too.
All right, let's get ready to roll up out of here.